There we go, my little Aurora.
Are we ready for the forest?
Almost. Let's get the baskets.
Grandmother, are there mushrooms here?
Yes, child, we will find them. 오바짱, ここに. This grove is when I we're here to pass on this secret gift. See the thick stem? That's a good brown cap.
I found a big one.
Gently, dear, leave the small ones to grow.
Grandma, look, wild boars.
Shh, stay still. They are just passing by.
They look so soft.
Welcome back!
I'm hung.
See? Gently now to keep the flavor.
Will they keep long when dried?
Months if we do it right. The Kinoko no Kami reward the respectful but greedy ones. Yes, Charmish. See how the mushrooms release their aroma?
It smells like the forest.
Good, now tacious.
Papa, look, we found these.
They did very well.
And we saw a giant